We do have one question that we want to read, and Katie, I will read this to you. This came in via email from Amy, and she says, "Hi, Katie and Chris. I have been a Hilton Honors member for a few years, and I have silver status since I have the basic Amex credit card, which I downgraded from the Surpass card. I found it difficult to earn Hilton points after the initial welcome bonus offer. I know you're both fans of Hilton hotels, and I'm trying to figure out if it's worth getting status or trying to meet the minimum spend to get the free night reward. I only stay at hotels maybe 2 to 3 times per year. Even though there's no restriction on the hotel tier for the free night reward, it just feels like for one night, and I wouldn't pay pay cash on the high end Hilton hotels for the other nights to avoid having to move hotels after one luxury stay. It's often costs 55,000 points and up for a room reward, and it just seems like it isn't worth the trouble to spend on the card. Just wanted to check if I'm missing something about the Hilton Honors program and why points podcasters rave about it. I don't have plans to upgrade to an annual fee Hilton card at this time. I already have the Chase Sapphire Preferred and Capital One Venture cards. Thank you in advance." Take it away, Katie. Good luck.
It's actually, I was really happy when I saw this question come in. So, Amy, no, you're not missing anything. So I'll start by saying, yes, the Hilton free night certificate can be insanely valuable. Chris and I both love them. They are wonderful. We think that, I know I've talked about, for me, I am going to spend on the Surpass card to earn that free night certificate, but they're not for everyone. So if you're only traveling 2 to 3 times a year, you said, and it's not even always at a Hilton. So let's say you might be at a Hilton once or twice a year, and you wouldn't pay for those extra nights, if you're booking more than a one night stay to use that free night certificate, then it's not worth it. And you're smart for evaluating all of these programs based on your personal situation. This is a subjective game, and it's okay to not place the same value on something that we do. So no, you're not missing anything. I wouldn't recommend to you to go after status or put spend on a card to get a free night certificate that you probably won't get the value out of. That's not valuable to you, and that's okay. And I love it when people are looking at these programs and taking, what we say or other podcasters or blogs, and not just taking it, word for word. It's like, okay, that's the information. We're trying to give you the facts, but then evaluate that in your personal situation. So, Amy, I think you're doing a great job. Keep on doing what you're doing. Don't go after statuses and free night certificates that you will not get the value out of. You are not missing anything. You are playing the game your way, and that's the right way. So keep on keeping on.
Well said. Nothing to add to that.